Hello, we're the Caley Brothers, and here's our top tips for getting you growing your own mushrooms.
So our first tip would be to go and find your perfect kit, and you can find a whole variety on our website of indoor and outdoor growing kits.
All our kits require regular watering. Mushrooms really enjoy the humidity, and to ensure a healthy harvest, it's important that you give your mushrooms plenty of water.
Not all mushrooms grow in the dark. All our kits like the light, and if you've got enough light in your room to read by, then you've got enough light to grow mushrooms.
Our next tip would be that kits require a little bit of patience, so quite often you'll think that nothing's happening when really it's all going on under the surface, and your mushrooms really will just appear overnight.
And finally, here at Caley Brothers we pride ourselves in our customer services, so feel free to contact us at any stage of your growing journey. So from me, Lorraine,
And me, Jodie,
here's to your growing success.